Good morning, everybody. I thought I would show you a quick video as to how you can record your screen, whether this is for your Google Meets, whether this is for if you want to do demos on your screen or share problems on your screen, or if you would like to use your document camera. Being able to record your screen and cast your screen is really, really helpful when creating videos for your students. Um, One way that I'm going to show you is a recorder that is already built into your device. The software is already installed, so you don't need to install anything. If you go down to the corner where you see the little Windows button and select that, you can just start typing. You can hit recorder or start typing recorder. Notice mine pops up quite quickly because I use it regularly. It's this app called Recorder here. So you can select that, and you'll notice it brings this very, very um, small little window up. I'm going to kind of walk you through the options we have here. First is record your whole screen. Second is record portion of your screen. This is where you can select, like kind of use like a drop and drag and select an area of your screen you would like to record. And this over here is for mute or unmute and for other sounds. All you need to do to record is hit the record button, and you can pause. So if you're recording, do an example and want to pause between, just hit pause so you can get your new paper and stuff ready to set up. Great app. The only issue is setting up your audio for it. You'll notice if you go into the little settings by clicking this thing here, there's not really much here. If you want to set up a microphone or if you want to set up your headphones, you're going to have to do that separately, and I'll show you how to do that. Again, we're going to return to the menu, which is the little windows in the bottom left-hand corner, and we're going to type in audio, and you're going to go to manage audio devices. If you select this, it'll bring up your defaults. So playback is like your speakers, so how you're going to hear it. I have my default set to my headphones. The speaker here is the one that's attached to your computer. So if you would prefer to use that, you can select that. And you all you have to do is hit select and then set default. Also the same thing for recording if you want to set up a microphone. We have this here. I use an external microphone for my headset. So I make sure I have that selected and then I have that set as default. Um, if you want to have or configure it, if you want to set volumes differently, you can do that in configure or properties. It tells you all this stuff here. Um, so that's whenever you set these portions up, that is going to be the presets for recorder because recorder is set directly to um, your screen or directly to Microsoft. So what I'm going to do is show you guys is how I launch it. Um, if you want to record, again, I'm going to be selecting a portion of my screen, and then all you have to do is hit the record button. You can select the portion, like let's say you're using your document camera over here. You can set that portion of your screen, and then it just jumps right into recording. Really helpful. You can pause it, you can return and continue recording. Now, you'll see that my recording just popped up. I'm going to pause that for you guys. To save these is a little bit different. It's not as easy as you would think. You're going to do select these, and where is that button? Is it this one? No. Right click. Let me minimize this. Now, how do I? All right, so you're going to come down here. Nope. This is where it gets tricky, is remembering how to save it. You click this little pencil here and then select View in Photos. And then from this portion, once you have it View in Photos, you can right-click Save As. And that way you can save it to your remote learning folder. It has the time date. You can change it. It's saved as MP4. You can upload that directly to Schoology. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. So if you have any more questions about the built-in recorder, or if you have questions about um, how to save it, shoot me an email, or I'll kind of talk more about it at our next meeting. But I hope you guys are doing well. Um, keep doing what you're doing. I'll talk to you guys later.